Hi friends, in this video I will show you how we can connect this Google TV streamer 4K device to power bank. See, here I will be using this boat power bank. Let me connect this power bank to Google TV streamer. Okay, done. See, it's booting. See, it's working. We can connect this Google TV streamer 4K device to power bank. Okay, you can try this. So we can use it as a portable uh, device. So please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.